is Evan, and today I'm going to be doing Peely from Fortnite. First, you're going to draw a square at an angle, like this. Then you're going to come down here, draw that, and this, and first part of Peely, done. Then you're going to come down here and draw like that. Okay, now you're going to draw a little bit of details like this. It looks funny. It looks like this is his smile. Like that. Okay, now you're going to draw his little lines right here, and then you're going to draw how he kind of peels a little bit. Now you're going to draw some legs. Okay, now some arms. Okay, one arm. Now you're going to draw the second arm. Boom. Make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you also smash that like button. Keep drawing.